Welcome to HelloCampus University. In this video, we'll teach you how to create, edit, and delete event templates. To begin, go to sayhellocampus.com and click Login at the top right corner. Sign in to enter your HelloCampus admin dashboard. Now, to start working on tour events, you must first create an event template. To do so, click on the Event Templates button. Here you can see a list of all the event templates that you have already created and add new ones. The purpose of an event template is to produce a unique registration URL which visitors can use to sign up for certain live virtual tours. We suggest that you begin by creating one general template for your everyday live virtual tours. Later on, you can create specialized ones such as a template for an open house day, one for transfer students, one for athletes, and so on. To make a new event template, click on Add Event Template. We're ready to start creating. First, decide on your event type name. This will be the title of your template, and as such will be visible to visitors during registration. Again, if this is your first event template, we suggest that you keep it pretty general. For instance, you might say, your school's initials live virtual campus tour. Next, fill out the maximum number of registrations allowed across all tour rooms for a given time slot. Take, for example, this time slot, 6 p.m. on Thursday, July 15th. If the event template's registration limit is set to 5, and 5 visitors register for that time slot, then this event option will be automatically removed from the calendar. Feel free to leave this section empty if you don't want to set a limit. Remember, you can always split your visitors into multiple tour rooms later. Then select a registration deadline. For instance, if you choose 30 minutes, prospects will be able to register for a live virtual tour until 30 minutes before it starts. So, if there was a tour at noon, the registration would close at 11:30 a.m. Now, move on to the URL slug. Every event template has its own unique registration URL, with a certain slug placed at the end. This slug is what differentiates one URL from another. For instance, the URL slug here was set as undergrads, but you can use any variation of letters, numbers, and dashes, or you can leave this section blank and we'll generate a slug for you. Finally, select someone who will receive an email notification every time a new visitor registers. Before you choose them, this user must already have access to the HelloCampus platform. In case you need to learn how to invite new users to HelloCampus, please use this link. Now, once all those fields have been completed, select Create at the bottom. Congrats, you've successfully created an event template. If you ever want to edit those settings, click on Configuration at the top right. In the drop-down menu, select Edit Event Template. You can change all fields except for the URL slug, then click Update to be brought back. And if you want to delete or archive an event template that is no longer needed, keep in mind: 1. Deleted templates cannot be recovered, but archived templates can. 2. You can only archive a template if it has been used before. And 3, you cannot archive or delete a template if there are any upcoming or active events within it. So, to delete or archive unnecessary templates, go to Configuration again and select the Archive Template or Delete Template option. Now you know how to create, edit, and delete event templates. In the next video, we'll show you how to edit the visitor's registration